Project Gibbles, an E.C.D custom Range Rover Classic built to our client's exact specification. Gibbles is painted in Mariana black with black and silver accents all round. Project Gibbles sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale retro wheels with Pirelli Scorpion Zero all-season tyres. This Range Rover Classic features an OEM front grille, Brooklands front bumper with LED headlights, and silver exterior door handles. Inside, Gibbles features an OEM steering wheel wrapped in black leather with the E.C.D digital gauges, 2 Range Rover Captain front seats and a 60/40 split mid-row. The seats are finished in a horizontal Garrett sandpiper leather stitched together in black. Gibbles is powered by our GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This Range Rover also features an array of modern touches such as Sony Halo touchscreen head unit, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.